Alright, so what is good, YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Son, who's my son? Who's my son?
And we are back with another video. What's up, guys? What's going on? How is everyone doing? I hope all is well to whoever's tuning in. Whoever's not tuning in, I hope all is well as well. Anyway, guys, if you are brand new to the channel and this is your first time tuning in and your first time checking us out, please do me a favor. Feel free to subscribe down below and come and join the family. Come and join your man, the son of some man. Also, too, guys, if you are brand new and you want to get notified every time I drop a brand new video, all you gotta do is hit that notification bell down below. Boom, and it'll do that every time I drop a brand new video. And that's for all you newcomers, all you new subscribers, all you guys. I appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. But today we're going to jump right into today's video. Today's video is brought to you by J&M Sneakers and also by Esquire Life here in Bushwick, Brooklyn. Seen these guys online. They had some dope t-shirts. They actually reached out to me and they wanted to send me over a few things. So guess what we're going to do, guys? We're going to unbox that first and then we're going to get into these Air Jordan 3 Cardinals. Alright, packages here. Now I saved it, I didn't open it. I wanted to do this on camera with you guys. Got the package in order. We got they gave me 5 t-shirts. And each and every one of them are pretty dope. We'll set that over there. Open this up here. First, we're gonna start with the Bart Simpson. Now these tees, these are fire tees, bro. The material feels awesome on it. Bang, check that out. It's that Bart Simpson. He's got the cool gray 11s on. That's so fire. You know we gotta get a flick with that. He's got the stash. He's got the bandana. This is a fly t-shirt, bro. Very dope. Appreciate you guys, man. If you guys want to pick up any of these items, I don't know if I got a discount code yet, but I'll definitely let you know. I'll definitely let you know down in the description, and I'll leave all their information in the description as well. You can check them out if you want to go and grab a t-shirt from them. Alright, that's the back of the t-shirt. It says Quality Goods, MFG Corp. Got the Esquire, abbreviation in the middle there. Established since 2010, United States. And on the front, you got a little version of what you got on the back. Very dope color, blue and red. New York Giants, New York Rangers. This one is very dope, bro. Very dope. And these guys picked these t-shirts out for me, so they know what I like, dude. And this is sick, bro. Look at this. The Air Jordan 6 Carmine with the basketball. Very dope. Got some teeth, got some the bull nose on it. Says Air on the bottom. Awesome. And the quality of the t-shirts are really nice, man. Remember, guys, if you want any of these t-shirts, the link in the description the link will be in the description down below, so make sure you check them out. Also, I'll give you their IG as well. You can check them out on Instagram as well too. Here we go. Same thing here. We got the baby blue shirt. We got the Esquire Fitness Division Never Stop. Damn right. And then we got the barbell with the weights on the back there. Same thing going on the front. Just a little version of it on the front here. Same as the back. Teal shirt, very dope. Got a lot of outfits. I mean, a lot of sneakers I like to put together and match these new shirts, man. All right, guys, and this is the last shirt, and I think this is the dopest one, bro. Very dope. It's an all black one, as you can see. Got a clean back, but look at this in the front, bro. Peep that money. Let's get it, guys. Esquire family, thank you so much, dude. I really appreciate you, man. Never be average, Michael Jordan, bro. That's so dope. This is gonna be the first tee I'm wearing, bro. You know what? We're gonna put that on right now. Bang! What do you guys think, bro? So fire, bro. I love this. Yo, thank you guys so much. I truly appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. It's really appreciated. Remember, guys, you want to get any shirt that I just showed you guys, look how they fit. They fit so beautiful around the arms. Very dope. If you guys want anything that I've shown you guys today, make sure you check the description. The links, everything will be down in the description down below. Once again, Esquire Life, thank you. I truly appreciate you guys. Alright, guys, wasting no time, we are going to get directly into these Air Jordan 3 Cardinal Reds. Now, as you can see, the box got that little elephant print over there with the Jumpman in white, the box in Cardinal Red. Very dope. I like it. Not so bad. Bam. Bang. These are fire. The glossiness that comes off of these shoes, though. color is so sick. So sick. Such a sick colorway. So crazy. Alright guys, here we have it. The Air Jordan 3 Cardinal Red. Now right off the bat, guys, these are super fire, guys, super fire. All right, taking a look at the outsole first. You know, the majority of the outsole is gray. You got your hits of Cardinal Red on the, you know, ball of your foot there, and then you got the Jordan in red as well. Pretty iconic outsole, if you ask me. Moving up, as you can see right away, we got a white midsole. Up further up the sneaker, it has that Cardinal Red in this glossy finish. Oh, it's so nice. I really like it. As you keep going up, moving up, you got a flat leather mud guard, which brings us to the front of the sneaker. As you can see, we got that elephant print. Really nice elephant print. The toe box, man, we're gonna talk about that a little bit more in a minute. Moving up, you got your hits of that curry on your eyelets here. Also too, on your eyelets going up here. Not to mention, you also have elephant print here as well too. But also on the eyelets, you got a glossy red, which is really nice, a real nice hit. As you can see, it's kind of like it's not an all white shoelace either. It's kind of got like a little hint of cream to it for some reason, unless that's just the lighting here. Anyway, moving up to the top of the tongue, you got some really nice leather, and then you got the curry Jumpman, you know, to end that. Moving to the medial side of the sneaker, pretty much what goes on the outside of the shoe is going on the inside of the sneaker. The leather on the upper is actually pretty nice. Nothing too, out of a 10, I'll give it a 7.5. Really nice. I really like it. Moving to the back of the sneaker, as you see, we got the hits of the elephant print as well. All the way moving to the back, you got the heel, as you got your Jumpman. It's a little bit more, I want to say it's a little bit more popping out on the back of the sneaker, you know, than they used to do. But that's pretty dope, man. They got the white heel tab, pretty dope. You got the Cardinal Red wrapping around the entire heel and midfoot of the shoe. Outside of the shoe, as you can see, elephant print. You got perforated holes up here on the collar of the sneaker. Moving on the inside of the shoe, as you can see, we got kind of like a velvet. Kind of like a velvet. It's also on the back of the tongue as well, as you can see here, guys. It's a different material than we're used to seeing on Jordan 3s. It's usually more, you know, fluffy. This is more slimmed out, to be honest. But yeah, guys, the inside of the insole on the inside, as you can see, it has an all-white Jordan on the heel as well. But as for the whole entire insole, it's Cardinal Red from top to bottom. Anyway, guys, tell me what you guys think. Did you guys pick these up? Do you guys plan on picking these up? Are you waiting for them to drop? Let me know down in the comment section. I would love to hear from each and every one of you guys, man. I really want to, you know, I really appreciate you guys for tuning in and checking me out, guys. Also, guys, J&M's Instagram will be in the description as well. Make sure you check them out. Let them know your man, TheSonOfSomeMan, has sent you. But anyway, guys, we're going to take a little bit more in-depth look at this toe box because I don't know if I like it too much. So let's take a look. As for the toe box, guys, do you see what I'm talking about? You see how it's more flat. Now, I'm not sure if that's not, you know, due to it being brand new or not being stuffed like how I stuff my, you know, originals, but peep the, see how there's really no leather there. But here on the 2006 pair, you got a bunch of leather over here as well. Bunch of leather. Also on the 1994 pair. Here you go on the 94 pair. You also got that leather. You see what I mean though? The difference. Also, stay tuned for the end of the video for that arm flicker. You're not going to want to miss that.